In this quick guide, I'll be showing you Bad Signal, Tier 1 Act 4, Modern Warfare 3 Zombies. In this, we need to investigate the anomaly and leave the Dark Aether. As this is a Tier 2 zone, I'd highly recommend you have a pack-punched weapon on the second level in order to do this properly, but you don't necessarily need one. It's just going to be tough without one. If possible, Tier 3 even. Then, when you've finally collected all the gear that you need, ping the Bad Signal Escape Exfil chopper that appears similar to the previous ones, though do note the previous ones will be here too, such as Defeat Zakhaev, Shepard, and Extraction. So ping the correct one and head straight for it. I've collected a handful of items, though I could get a few more plates before we go. It's similar to the previous missions that we've exfilled to. So this takes us into the Dark Aether. All we need to do is activate the portal and it'll start a vote for our teammates as well. Everyone just needs to approve it and it'll be off, as they don't really know how to use the map to vote. I'll need to get them to interact with it, but I don't think they know how to do this either. Yes, okay, there we go. They figured out how to use the map and now we can finally go. Sweet. Now we'll be taken into the underworld, essentially, where we'll need to complete a few little quests. Now that we're in the Dark Aether, we'll need to, first of all, break seals. Essentially, you'll be heading across to different structures on the map and interacting with them. They'll all be marked, so simply head towards one of the first ones, and essentially you'll be killing zombies within the area. So heading up close to the first portal over here, all we need to do is interact with it to start it, and once you've activated it, you need to kill a bunch of zombies within this ring. Doing so will collect souls or essence, and do everything we need to activate it. Eventually, once it's activated and finished, you can head across to the next portal and do the same. It is rather tough. I definitely recommend having a Pack-a-Punch Tier 3 weapon if possible, as that would make life quite a bit easier. Around the map you will find these turrets that you can put circuit boards in to activate, but I didn't bring any with me. Heading towards the next seal, we can activate it and once again get a whole bunch of zombie kills in the area. Heading across to the third one, we can activate this one too, summon in a whole bunch of zombies, and this one seems a lot more chill than the other one somehow. Anyways, eventually finishing off the third one, we can finally get to the final one. Activating the final one, this one's a bit more crazy now, but eventually we should be done with this one as well, and now all we need to do is leave the Dark Aether, but it's not exactly that easy. You'll find out why in just a moment. When you've grabbed everything and restocked your ammo, most importantly, we can make our way to the final marker. This one you may think takes you straight out, but there'll be another boss fight for you waiting. Killing a few zombies on our way to try and plate up, as we will need them later on. It looks like there is a Pack-a-Punch machine here. Let's see what tier it takes us to. I think it might just be tier 2, however. Self-revive, that's pretty useful. Pack-a-Punch level 3, that is actually very useful. Well, for 15k, assuming you've already Pack-a-Punched twice, you can come here and Pack-a-Punch your weapon to level 3. So with our Pack-a-Punch tier 3 weapon, we'll head straight for the exfil, and you'll see exactly what we have to deal with next. It's the same boss we had to fight earlier, just now in a different location. Once again, it'll have similar attacks to previously, though just keep in mind, this time it's going to be a little bit more dangerous. And unfortunately that didn't work out to plan, but essentially you'll need to kill that boss and you'll find your way out. Hopefully we can do this again. So I'm going to separate from you. So you got to spray the purple bits. And if you see there's a big shadow above you, this thing's probably going to slam down on you, so just run away. Yay. And then there's these purple balls that spawns in like flies. Hey, nah. I'm going to spam a spacebar because then maybe I can parachute when it spits me out. Yes, yeah. Just spam spacebar on it. It'll spit you out, but you won't hit the ground. Yeah, if you spam space, you'll be fine when he tries to spit you out. Okay, that's at least some way that we can cheese this thing. Oh, I'm out of ammo. It's an ammo cache here. Where I am is an ammo cache. Yeah, I'm just spamming space now when it spits me out. Yeah, I'm fine. Like, this fight is so difficult for no reason. And he's almost dead. Yay! And he did. Yes, that was needlessly difficult. Oh my word. Loot. Gold skull. Large backpack. There's a medium backpack there. And a locked diary. A sealed leather-bound diary. Anyways, this mission was needlessly difficult. Hopefully you were able to do this. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.